Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we'll be making the most delicious quesadillas. So let's get started right now. So first, let's make our guac. So cut your avocado and scoop out all the flesh using a spoon. And if you're mixing by hand, just grab a fork or your hands and mix this and smash it until you reach a really nice and smooth consistency. I'm using my KitchenAid. I'm gonna grab my paddle attachment and start mixing. So in the bowl of your KitchenAid, add in your avocado, then your chopped onion, chilies, chopped tomatoes, and finally freshly chopped cilantro. Now add a fresh squeeze of lime juice, salt, freshly ground pepper, and we're just gonna mix this up now. So there you have it, that's your fresh guac. Just put it aside in a bowl and then let's get on into our delicious meat mixture. So heat your pan on medium heat and add your olive oil. When your oil is hot, add in your meat. So break apart the big chunks as you're cooking the meat on medium heat, and once it's cooked, add in your salt, pepper, and then finally your taco seasoning. I'm using my homemade taco seasoning. I really love this. It's super easy to make. It's just mixing up a bunch of spices which you probably have at home already, and it's much better than buying the super salty ones that you get from your stores. So try it out and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now finally add about 2 ounces of chopped green chilies. You may find that in the Mexican section of your local grocery store. I'm using the ones by Old El Paso. After this, give it a nice mix and turn off the heat and set aside. So all that's left is to assemble your quesadillas. So my oven has been heating at 400. We're gonna bake our quesadillas, which is gonna use less oil, and still we're gonna get that really nice brown and crispy quesadilla. This recipe will make 3 quesadillas. So I'll put a third of our guac onto my fresh tortilla, followed by our beef mixture, and then finally top with our cheese. I'm using some mozzarella cheese. I really love this because it's really creamy and you really get that nice cheese ball. So now fold your tortilla in half, and I like to give it a little press just to make sure that all the components in our quesadilla are well melded together. Repeat the same steps with the remaining tortillas, and then transfer your quesadillas onto a baking sheet and add it to the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes or until each side is nice and crispy. Make sure to flip the quesadillas halfway through the cooking time. My timer just went off and this absolutely looks beautiful. Now just cut it in half and it's ready to serve. So there you have it, guys. These are some badass quesadillas and I absolutely love them. Leave me a comment down below if you want me to try any of your favorite Mexican dishes. Leave me a like to show some support and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.